here. So we made the blank, we made the flat diagram using sheet metal tools, and now I'm just going to show you how to include windows in your design. Remember, I'm doing like a really basic design, and if we take a look at my desk again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. So 3 faces that are connected to each other, and then one part of the roof. When we look at my notes, this is maybe a piece that doesn't get glued. So again, that's why it's not connected to the rest of the stuff in the sheet metal. And maybe that door opens and closes. And let's make those windows. So if we hop back into 3D modeling, and we look at our sheet metal here, what we can do is we can design back here, because that's where I'm gonna have my my first window. So I am going to make a sketch, and I'm going to make a sketch on this face right here where I'm going to make my first window. Now, I don't need to make any rectangles for my really basic design. If you remember back in my sketch, I said, hey, like, this shape right here is probably going to be an offset of about 4 millimeters or so. So I can actually, in Onshape, just use the Snoopy tool, the offset tool, or O, and I can click on that surface now, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit and make it so that that line that I'm about to make is on the inside if I move it, and I can make it 4 millimeters. That looks a little small, so I'm actually gonna, let's just up it to 6. Let's make it a little bit bigger, just so we have a little bit more structure. And real easy, I can use the extrude tool. I'm going to do an extrude remove, hit the check, and I have my first window. Quite simple, hopefully super easy. In order to do the same thing, again up here, sketch, offset, bring it in, hit enter, 6 millimeters what I want, and then extrude again. Hopefully it automatically thinks it's an extrude remove. We're done with that. So we're really going fast right now, which is good. It's real simple and easy in Onshape. We're really actually using some solid tools right now. So sketch, offset again on the A-frame, zoom out a little bit, inset those lines, hit enter. I'm going to tell it to be 6 again. Extrude one more time. The only thing that I'm going to do different with this extrude is I'm actually going to, oh, did I hit extrude twice? Whoops. I'm going to actually make it go all the way through, so it goes through the other side as well. So I don't have to do that extrude function twice. And I have my greenhouse. Like it's done in Onshape. It's amazing. I can view it with my drip plate and the actual planner itself. And now the drip plate is flush on that piece of material. It's going to be the base of my greenhouse. So real quick, real simple, fairly easy, which is pretty awesome. So if we want to move forward, I'm just going to move myself over, and I am going to take another drink of invisible water. It's actually white because the screen's white now. Over here we have our flat pack diagram of our greenhouse. So we've